guys, so it has been a while since Kiera and I have posted anything. First of all, I just want to say that on the behalf of both of us, we're sorry because we really try and upload consistently to provide new content for you guys, and we had our AP European history exam last week, and filming and everything combined with that just would not have been possible. We were both under
so much stress from that.
Filming probably would have just made it worse. You really don't want to know how it went, at least for me. I'm pretty sure Kiera did really well. I definitely didn't. Yeah, we're not gonna talk about it. But now I'm back and filming a video for you guys. The beginning of this video was filmed months ago, so I just want to point that out. The painting part of my room actually took place like 2.5 months ago, so that's what you're gonna see first. But I really hope you guys enjoy this TikTok room transformation. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it.
This is why I call it a fresh start, so you can really start over, but you see how it's too lumpy.
Been a long time since you really lied. You ain't coming at yourself. You ain't really put yourself. Tell me what must I do? Tell my lie. 'Cause luckily I'm good at reading. I wouldn't put them anywhere, stop chasing. And we can dance all day around it. If you find it, I'll be back.
Okay, so I'm gonna like vlog for a little bit, but basically my room is now fully painted. I think it looks so good. Like, look at it. It's so cute. I love the white instead of, because my room, it used to be like this teal color, but it was just like dark and it didn't really have, you know, like it wasn't the vibe. And now we have the vibe. I have to thank my dad because honestly, this project would not have happened without him. Now that my room is painted, I am going to be putting up my TikTok LED lights, which I'm so excited about because like I've been waiting for this moment for so long. You have no idea.
She just want fun too, they say.
But basically, I don't know if you see the corners of my room up here, like the ceiling part kind of. The lights are going to be going all around the corners of the ceiling. So I think I'm going to include, I guess like a time lapse of me doing that. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to do that right now. Bye.
If you want me, scream it, shout it, baby. Why don't you say that that's like we do it like that, baby.
Like to know, yeah, let's do it again. How we did it on our website.
It's like we do it like that, baby. Don't be silly, afraid to say that on my way. Yeah. Feeling like the moment, feeling like the moment. Why don't you let me know? Why don't you say so?
Okay, so it's been about 3 days since you guys saw that last clip, and you might ask, why has it been 3 days? Like, why are you not doing this all in one day? And the answer to that is that I'm stupid because I didn't know that you needed connectors to connect different strips of LED lights because apparently they don't come with them. So I had to order those on Amazon. But the good news is now I have them. So I'm gonna finish putting up my LED lights with the connectors.
Many hours later.
So the LED lights are up. I think you can see the strip right there. The next thing that I'm gonna be doing is putting up my photo collage, which is gonna go back there on those two walls. So I'm not gonna explain everything I do. I'm just gonna sort of put it up and put it on the wall because I'm actually making a separate video on how to do that, which is going up before this video. So make sure if you wanna see how exactly I do my photo collage wall, make sure to check that out.
I said, do that, baby, all night long. And I'ma turn off all my phones. You know I hate it when I'm left on red. But he make it all up in the bed, and it took me out running on none but the best. He got off white, on right. Damn, he could dress, making plans from the east, making bands in the west. Rockstar, black widow type, bands on his bread.
So that is that, and make sure to check out the last video that I made to know exactly how I made the photo collage. But now we're gonna get back on track and continue with the TikTok trends. So the next thing I got for my room that was inspired by TikTok was the Skylight projector. So here we are. This is the box. I'm gonna open it up. Here it is. So I am going to plug it in, set it up in my room, and show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so it is dark in my room so that you guys can see what it looks like, but I film on my iPhone. That's gonna change really soon because I'm actually getting a camera and I'm super excited about it, but my iPhone camera just does not do the Skylight justice at all, so please don't think this is what it looks like in real life. It looks way cooler, but just so you get an idea, it's literally stars all over my ceiling. It's so cool.
Shut it, save it, keep it pushing while you beating round the bush and knowing you want all this woman.
So that is the Skylight. I'm obsessed with the way it looks, but the next thing that I'm going to show you that was partially TikTok inspired and I guess like partially YouTube inspired too. I have a Himalayan salt lamp, I guess that's what it's called. It had been sitting in a drawer for a really long time because I just didn't use it and didn't think it was that cool. But then I watched a ton of videos and one of my favorite YouTubers, I don't know if you know her, her name is Kenna Marie. You can find her channel if you want to search it up, but she has a salt lamp and it reminded me that I had a salt lamp. So I took out the salt lamp and there it is. So partially TikTok, partially YouTube inspired, but I'm gonna light it up and show you guys what it looks like.
And baby, I want it and I just be honest cause I just can't front when I look at you.
Theoretically, you can make it dimmer and brighter, but I really don't know if it does that actually. It's plugged into the outlet behind my dresser. You can kind of see the cord, but like I try and tuck it behind the dresser so it doesn't show that much, but it's so cute. So that's that. And the next thing that I'm going to show you, I've actually had sitting in my room because the last time I filmed was 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I'm a great YouTuber. But the next thing I'm going to show you is this mirror I got. And I've been seeing so many like mirrors on TikTok of people, I don't know, just like light up mirrors with stuff on them. So I decided to get a mirror and here is my mirror. So here's the mirror. I'm filming on my phone, obviously. Getting a camera soon. Please don't come at me. I'm going to light it up because this is the coolest part about the mirror. It lights up like that. I think it's so cool. It's sitting on the floor right now, but it is going to be mounted on my wall over here very soon. So that is all the trends and all the little items I got for my room to make this transformation happen. There was one more item. I ordered vines from Urban Outfitters to put along the walls of like my desk area, but sadly they are on back order and they won't get here until like a month from now. And I didn't want this video to go any longer than it already has because it has literally been 2 months since I first started making this video when I started painting my room. So I was not gonna wait another month. Obviously you'll see the vines in my future videos when that happens. But now I'm gonna jump into a final reveal of everything together and I'm so happy about the way that it turned out. So here we go.
Nice to know ya, let's do it again. How we did it on a Wednesday.
Call me El Gato. I'm the big boss and I got big bread. I'm getting big headed and I like good.
Okay guys, so I think that's everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this room transformation and enjoy all the little TikTok items that I put in my room. So many of you guys have been asking for me to do a full room tour of everything that's in my room, and I would be totally happy to do that. Make sure to comment if that would be something you would want to see. Also, Kiera and I have received so much support lately. You guys have been so sweet to us about everything. You guys have loved our videos lately and are commenting such sweet things, and we really appreciate it. It means a lot to us. I love you guys. I hope you're doing well. Stay safe. Bye.
Red up like a top-notch freak. Act like I'm a treat when a dog see me. Like a thief in the night, like she stole my green. Got me walking out the scene like a hole in the jeans.